Hey everyone, Les here from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today we'll be analyzing ZIP, which the SX code is ZIP. This is a stock that has been incredibly profitable throughout last 3 years and presents a great trading behavior. And we like to make sure we are ready to take advantage of any potential upside for this stock during its trading cycles. We believe that we could be right now in the next rally. Let's have a look. Just want to remind you, this isn't a financial advice, it's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, and much more. So all in this channel. If you like, please subscribe and also share this video with someone that you believe would be interested on our stock analysis. Also, I'd like to invite you to become a member of our free Facebook community. We call that Buy, Grow, and Sell Strategy for Share Traders. We post a lot of great quality content, including some stock analysis, some market review as well. Everything's happening and some potential buying opportunities for our members. Make sure you subscribe there as well. So I'm going to be putting the details at the description below. Now let's jump straight into the chart formation of ZIP, which is exactly what matters to us. So as you can see, if you open up ZIP chart, it's a bit complicated because the chart is the price has fallen so much. But if you open up the chart here, over the last 3 years, you will see what I mean when I talk about trading behavior, fantastic trading behavior. And that's exactly what I can see here with ZIP. As in fact, we have seen all back in 2020, massive spikes to the upside, some of those spikes over 200%, but in average of 70% spikes on stock. And we have seen them all through 2020, 2021, until obviously we have this bearish intersection here, which led for the massive crash. And this massive crash was directly tied to the fact that interest rates was increasing, and then everyone was getting away from tech and growth stocks, which is exactly what ZIP is, and also combined up for the fact that investors start getting really worried about buy now, pay later itself, the whole sector, in the sense that companies like ZIP would not be solvent and therefore would go under. We have seen that happening already with a couple of buy now, pay later that includes Bnpl. I don't think that's going to happen with ZIP, although we need to be tracking on a regular basis what's happening with the finances. But in this case, we have seen a clear direction of the company since second half of 2022. We have seen a clear direction of the company to restore investor confidence and try getting back on track on its sustainable growth. Obviously, with ultra low interest rates, the company was trying to aggressively increase its market share around the world with many acquisitions, and those acquisitions were burning a lot of cash in a moment of high interest rates where cash is king. So we want to have cash. You don't want to burn cash. And that's exactly what triggered this massive 93% fall from the all-time high. Now, throughout 2022 and 2023, we had a couple of very interesting opportunities here. The first one was back in July, which, by the way, we have done our best trade on ZIP, over 100% profit out of this 295% rally. The reason we wanted to we wanted to show this is not to brag about the fact that we have done really well. We see that particular trade, but to show you the magnitude of the trading behavior and the range the share price can spike in a very short amount of time. So if you pick up the right times, which is the times which we see the reversals according to BGS20 strategy, which I'm going to be highlighting the next few minutes. But then we had another very interesting rally, 50% rally in November, and then 86% rally in January. Okay, so we also trade January as well, and then we done about 22%, no, sorry, 25% on that trade by memory. But the thing is, now we are looking into a very interesting chart formation, which shows high volume on the upside. Obviously, some of the high volumes, especially today, was generated by the fact that the company has released its latest announcement regarding the de-invest strategy that ZIP's taking in order to free cash and bring back the confidence of investors. That obviously had a positive impact on the stock. Unfortunately, this stock is the stock that as soon as it hits a certain level, short traders come back right quickly on the stock. But I believe that we are very close to see a turnaround, and I want to take advantage of this turnaround. Through disclosure, I am holding some ZIP at the moment. We bought last week, and we believe that ZIP could have a further upside from the moment. But mostly important, we bought because our technical indicators are showing that the stock was trading what we call technically discounted price, not just for the short term, but for the long term. So if you wanted to know what technically how to find technically discounted stocks, then I really suggest you to take a look on our online trading course, which I'm also going to be putting the details at the description below. Okay, and we are running a 20% discount on our online trading course. If you don't find the link, direct message the team via Facebook, and someone will send you the link to enroll on the course. It only takes 5 to 6 hours. This is a very straightforward, without making around course, and I really suggest you to take that before jumping in the market. This is one of the best times to look into the market. Obviously, there are still some macroeconomic risks out there, but if interest rates start sort of topping up at the moment, then we kind of reaching the pivot of interest rates. Stocks like this should start outperforming, not just obviously growth and tech stocks, but also we might see some even retail stocks, despite the potential recession. Some retail stock, they already had a massive fall over 2022. We might see those stocks also outperforming. So that's why you have to be very mindful what's happening on the macroeconomics and obviously inside the company as well. So ZIP is in it's an interesting position, technically discounted price. Now, obviously, it's now a technically fair price, but it's been there a little bit a few days ago. But I still, over the long term, provided that second half results are now coming in line of the first half, that will represent a much better, way improved result in comparison to $1.1 billion loss declared in FY20 in FY22. So FY23 hopefully will be the turnaround. Okay, obviously the company won't be profitable yet. The promises was made by the CEO that ZIP will become profitable in 2024. Not sure if that's going to happen, but if we see a consistent improvement on its losses, then that's enough to see the share price to outperform. And that's exactly what we are speculating here, okay? We're not confirming, we're speculating. And there's no better time to speculate when the stock's trading at low levels, all right? So 56 cents close today. So essentially for me, ZIP is buying stock, especially with this chart formation. Obviously, like any stock, you got to make sure we have a stop loss. So that's why we have our strategy. But according to this, we have a bullish intersection level 2 and level 1 confirmed right here on this chart formation, which are the BGS20 strategy indicators that point for a buying. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know what you think about ZIP. Also, put your comments in the description below. And if you have any stock that we want us to take a look that you believe worth us spending our time, let us know. And we're going to potentially issue a stock analysis about the company. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.